we're going to work on a little bit different. We're going to, again, watch the hips and the breath as we work, and from here I'm going to pluck it up and grab it with the other hand, like so. So, you see that it's more movement from the hips. The hips are creating everything here. I'll show a different angle from here, here again. Breath and hips. You can use either leg as a switch here, especially if it's combative, because then you can be less certain or known, and then you switch hands. So from here again. And then switch legs, because the hips drive everything here, the hips and the breath. And then you can switch also the way that you're holding it. So from here, this way, and then switch your hold this way. Switch arms, the legs, and then you switch the hold here, like so.